everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today I'm working on a fun little project for Father's Day. So we've got a 100% polyester tie. They're really easy to heat transfer vinyl. And I've got my kids' names all going up the tie with a handprint. Since I have so many kids, we're gonna have to do 2 presses to get them all onto the tie. But it should be a fairly simple process. Same pressing time as normal, 15 seconds, same heat, about 300 degrees. I do have a Teflon pillow placed under the tie because of a thick seam down the middle of the tie and also the loop that holds the back of the tie. So let's get pressing. Just gonna move the tie down. The last 2 kiddos there. Perfect Father's Day treat for the man you love.